Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your financial portfolio with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Fidelity account. Visit the Fidelity website and click on Complete the online application. Be prepared to verify your identity with documents like your driver's license or social security number. Once your account is set up, fund it by linking a bank account or transferring assets from another brokerage. Next, familiarize yourself with Fidelity's platform and tools. Explore the educational resources available, including webinars and articles. Understand the different types of investments offered, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Use Fidelity's research tools to analyze potential investments. Look for information on historical performance and market trends. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different asset classes. This can help mitigate risk and improve your overall returns. Set up automatic contributions to your investment account. Regular contributions can help you build wealth over time. Monitor your portfolio regularly, at least quarterly. Adjust your investments as needed based on performance and changing financial goals. Utilize Fidelity's portfolio analysis tools to assess your asset allocation. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired risk level. Stay informed about market conditions and economic trends. Review your investment strategy annually to ensure it aligns with your objectives. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Utilize Fidelity's customer service for any questions or concerns. Taking these steps can help you secure a strong financial portfolio with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.